Hello and welcome back to How to Be a Terminal Pro. This is Jesse Shaw, and in this last video of How to Be a Terminal Pro, I will show you how to customize the prompt, create some aliases, and give us some really nice directory listings. So we can go ahead and fire up the terminal. And I'd like to customize the prompt, which is this bit here. So right now I can see it's just referring to my host name, which is actually macbookair.local. It's showing me the tilde, so it's printing out the working directory, but just the base name, so whatever directory we're currently in, and also the user followed by a $sign. So I can see that if I do echo $PS1. So this gives me /h:/. So the /h refers to my host name. The W is the base name, which is the tilde here. So notice how it's separated by a colon. And then I have /u, which is the user. But we can go ahead and change some of these variables to our liking. So let's open up this web page. Okay, and at this web page, we can see all of the escape sequences that we can use to customize our prompt. So I'll go ahead and put this over here, and we'll bring back the terminal. And we can change them by using the command export. So we'll say export and then PS1 equals, and then whatever we want within quotation marks. So at first I can just do my username. So at the prompt, it just shows my username in brackets. I can also do my base directory username. I can also put in the host name here. But I like to do user at \h:/, and then I like to do the capital W, so the base name of the current working directory. And then followed by $sign. Whenever we do that, we have it like that. But if we close out of this window and go back in, it just reverts back to whatever our original PS1 was. So in order to make this a little bit more permanent so that every new window will follow this new PS1 variable, we just need to edit our bash profile. And then write the same command in here. So export PS1 equals, and then put in whatever you want. So again, I'm going to use user at hostname : base name of the directory, and I like to put a little $sign there so I know where it ends, and then a space just to keep it clean. So I'll go ahead and write out the file, and we'll fire up a new window, and there it is. Okay, and the very last thing that I would like to show you is how to change up some of the colors of these directory listings so we can get different colors for folders or executables or symbolic links, and we can do that now. Okay, so at this website here, we have a really nice LS colors generator where we can just pick all of our colors. So by default, everything is set up just to work like this. So we can pick the foreground color of our directory, so we can choose red. So see how it's changing here? Directories will be in red, but we can put it on a black background if we like. We can also change symbolic links to background green, but have a light blue as the text. Yeah, you can just play around with any of these colors, but crucially we want to grab this information here. So where it says BSD LS colors, we'll just go ahead and copy that. So we can go into our bash profile to add these colorings here. And we just need to add one more export command. So we'll say export CLI color, all caps, equals 1, and export LS colors, all in caps, equal to, and then in quotes, the code that we grabbed over here for the BSD LS colors. We will write out the file and open up a new terminal window, and whenever we hit LS, we should see this nice coloring, and there we have it. So it matches up here. So for all of our directories, they are black background with a red foreground, and you can just play around with any of these, but I really like to do it for executables and symbolic links. Then it's very easy for me to just ls and see the different things here. All right, so that just about wraps it up. Thanks for watching.